So we're gonna get straight into my Sephora. Yay! Well, not everything in here is from Sephora. I did just kind of put everything that I got into one little box. Gonna put it right here, and then I'll just be reaching up. So the first thing that I was able to get my hands on is the Juvia's Place. I don't know how to say that word. Wahala. Yeah, that palette. I was able to get that when they restocked, and I'm super excited about that because I just feel like this palette is just so gorgeous. This is the box, and let's take a peek on the inside. Ugh, amazing. Look at those colors. Oh my God. Yes, I am here for it. So yeah, super excited about this. I just like these colors here. This, and this. I can't even like do that. And wrong way. That one is like calling my name. Like I love a blue. I love some purples. Those are like some of my jam. Okay, so super excited about that. So that was not from my Sephora haul, but I put it in the same box so I can share with you what all I got. All right, I'm trying to be neat here and like packing it away nicely. Okay, next I got these little clips. It's the Kit Stitch and Justine Marjan. I don't even know how you say the name. I'm butchering it, but oh well. And this one is just the icon clip. So I did pick that up. Haven't used it yet, but you know, like when you kind of put your hair back and you just kind of have that nice little symbol, you know, in the hair. So excited for that. Oh, I did have something else from Juvia's Place too that I did get. I did get one of their lip glosses, and this is in the shade Sis. It's like in that nude series. I already have swatches all on my hands, so I think this one was like a mauve and smells yummy. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like, and I'm gonna swatch that color. And then that's the color right there. So like a nice mauve kind of color. Yep, so that's pretty. Smells good. I picked up another eyeliner. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners. This is in the color Earthquake. It's like a nice brown. Here's my old one. It's on its last leg. So yeah, it's all done. It's like a little bit, and just so you can kind of see, it's a brown, but it's like a nice black brown. So that's typically what I use when I'm not trying to do like a black. This is what I use. So I picked up another one of those, and then I did get something from Ulta. This is the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I wanted to try it, and I got the shade Golden Caramel. So I wanted to try this out. I keep hearing good things about it, so I copped that. I got a Patrick Ta lip liner, and this is She Bold. Oh wait. Ooh. She's bold, because I am bold, honey. I love his lip liners. Like the design is so sexy. Like it's almost like you're pulling out a, you know, back in the days when you had to, yes. So anyway, I don't want to swatch it. It's too cute. Oh, before I forgot, I did pick up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer. And this is what it looks like. Like literally this does it no justice. Like this thing is huge. It's like you won't need a bronzer for a long time. And I do like that she does have refills for this, and the refills are like $30 something. So you don't have to like purchase a whole new, you know, you're basically getting this pretty little, you know, case, and then you just buy the refill and you're set. I did use this bronzer today in my look, so I do like it. I would say that it's pretty good. It's not red, it's not orange, it's just a nice color that's not red or orange, so I do like that. I did pick up a Jouer. This is their what is it, Sun Sweet bronzer, so I did pick that up. I have been wanting to try that. I'll open that up so you guys can see. Pretty good, the color. Oh, I should swatch it, but I think it looks like similar color to the Charlotte Tilbury color, so I think I'll be okay with that. And the swatches online did look pretty good. So got that as well. I picked up another Makeup Forever blush, and this is in the shade B316. So this is like the refill. I already have like the little pan. And then I picked up another Pat McGrath concealer, and that's in the shade M20. I've used this before. I love it. Looks good. I just wanted a lighter color. I think I have 23 is what I currently have. Let me see. Yeah, I have 23. That's the shade that I have. You're not really gonna be able to see it, but yeah, you can right there. So I wanted to get something a little bit darker and lighter, sorry, and so that's what I got. So did get that. Oh, I got this little set from Marc Jacobs. It has the full size of the black eyeliner, and then thought it was a good set because you get the full size of the eyeliner. So I got blacker and I got brownie. Oops. So I got blacker and I got brownie, just restocking. And then it came with like a little mascara. And this is my favorite mascara, and that is the Velvet Noir mascara. So that also came in it. So that's pretty good. Just restocking. And then I did get another Pat McGrath powder, and I got a lighter shade. No, I'm sorry, I got a darker shade, so that way I can use this to set my face. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, I did get a deeper shade, and so that's what I'm gonna be using, trying it to set my face. I do have medium, and I use this to set my under eye, so I decided to try to set my face. And so I also got, Marc Jacobs came out with some new brow products, and I guess this is the refill, but this is what the brow thing looks like. You get the brow gel. Let's see if it has color. And I didn't really know because his colors were like super weird. So I felt like I had to get like a weird color. That. Ooh. Okay. So has that. Oh. Okay. And then this is the brow side. It has like a little fine point, but it's like a powder. That's what it says, that it is the Brow Wow Duo. It's a brow powder pencil and tinted gel, and then it comes with a refill, and so that's the refill. So got that. Haven't tried it yet. I did also get the Velour brow fluff and brow. Got that. I used that today. That's what I used for my brows today. Because like, you know, you can only try like one brow thing at a time. So that's the Marc Jacobs. So that's the Velour. It has the balm on the one end, the wax, brow wax, whatever, brow balm. Then it has like the little pencil part right here. And then it also has the bristle or spoolie, bristle, spoolie. And got one more thing, just a little splurge item. So I did get the Gucci bronzer. Listen, it's about that bronzer time, you know. So it comes in this cute little pouch, like so. And then you open it up and that's it right there. Smells divine. And then it has a brush. So it comes with its own little brush. How cute. There we go. So yeah, got that. Can't wait to try. Oh, maybe it's just for show. Maybe it's not for me to try, but this was in the shade 5. So I'm excited for that. And now let me get into my little skincare. I did this, I filmed this, so I did get the Born This Way matte foundation, and so I already filmed a review on that, and that should already be up, and now I'll link it in the somewhere over there. And then I had tried 2 new products, skincare. This is the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed and the Innisfree Dewy Glow Jelly Cream. So far, I have been loving it. Love this hydration serum. You know, from wearing the mask, I was getting really dry around here and I just find that nothing was really working. So I was like, okay, why not give it a shot? It's very inexpensive. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll try. So I got that, love it. And then I got the moisturizer, pretty good as well. This is like my daytime moisturizers because it's lightweight, it's hot, but I don't want anything heavy, but I still need some hydration. And so that's what I have been using. Pretty good, love them. I have been on my little CBD kick. I have been researching, trying to learn about CBD, trying to learn about it, how good it is for skin, what does it do, how does it help the skin. And so I bought like 3 different CBD products. This one, the Laura Jones, this is the body lotion. This is the older packaging because now they have like a bigger size for $60. This one was $40, so I bought this. Let me tell you, you got some aches and pains, you got some joint pain, you got some dryness, some eczema, whatever. This thing is amazing, okay? I use it on my feet because I do stand on my feet a lot for work. And so I'll put it on my feet before I go to work, or I'll put it on at nighttime, you know, when it's achy and I'm about to go to bed, so I'll use it. My hands are really dry because I'm washing my hands a lot. So I use this at nighttime to kind of give me some more hydration. I was using this also on my face, but they do have an oil. It's called the Royal Oil. So I have that already. And I use that as my serum at nighttime. And sometimes I don't even put anything else on. I just put the oil on and I go to bed. And I love it. It's really helped, you know, with my dryness, my stress skin from wearing the mask and just stress, you know, everyday stress. So I love this CBD product. The other one that I bought was St. Jane CBD Beauty Serum. I bought the little mini one. That's almost finished. Loved it too. Definitely hydrating. So I can really say that having some CBD in your routine, you know, in your skincare routine will really help. If you have acne prone skin, then that CBD will really help with the redness. It will really help calm the skin and just kind of bring balance back to the skin as well. So I do recommend that if you have problematic skin. If you have eczema, then using that CBD will be really good as well. So I've been on my little CBD kick. Love, love, love. I got some bags here too. This is just all lippies. I did buy the Patrick Ta lip in Oshi Single, this pretty nude lip. What is this? This is the Juicy Tube from Lancome. This is in the shade Hallucinogen. It's like a nice, like nude kind of color. I don't know where we're wearing this to, but hey, I like it. Just all lippies in here. Oh, I did get the Fenty lip shine slip thing. This is in Cookies and Cocoa. I would put it on, but it doesn't go with the color that I have on right now because I have on like a nice mauve-y kind of color. And then, ooh, I could probably put one of these on. I did pick up the Pro Kiss from Fenty. I got Cocoa Drizzle, and then Pinch Me, which I could probably put on Pinch Me because it kind of looks like my lip color. This is what the packaging looks like. Really nice. Let's see here. Nice. You can kind of see how pigmented it is. So that's cute. So I got those. And I had to get Stunna. I don't even know if that's the name, if I'm saying it right. But I bought remember last Christmas, she had a little mini lip color, that burgundy color. It was called Stunna or something to that effect. Well, oh, I lied. It's right here. I forgot, I didn't see it. Oh my God, I'm so wrong. It's called Underdog. It's that perfect fall lip color. Yes, there it is. It's like that nice burgundy. I don't even know how to describe it, but this was like one of my favorite colors. So when she came out with the full size, I had to get that because, you know, I'm a sucker for a good lippy. Anyway, so I did get that one. And then I also picked up the number 9 and number 10. Oops, number 9 and number 10 of the Snap palettes. This is the wine. And then Monday Honey. Yes. So got those two. I can't wait to film with those. Those are definitely coming up. I got this gloss all over me. Trying to wipe all these stuff off. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you picked up during the Sephora haul. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see me use on camera. I'll be more than happy to film with that for you. I do have a lot of stuff that I will be trying out. Not really going anywhere, not really, doing much makeup, but I will sit down and film a look utilizing some of these new products. And I have already used some of them. Some of them are stuff that I already had used before and just repurchasing. So I'm super excited that I was able to share some of my faves or some of the things that I'm trying out with you guys today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you'll know whenever I upload. I don't want you to miss anything, okay? And I look forward to having you as part of the Lady M gang. See you guys later. Have a good one. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.